Welcome back to Aqua Platicodon. In today's episode, we're diving into another common door-to-door sales scam, roofing and home repair scams. These scams usually appear after storms or natural disasters, with salespeople offering discounted repairs. While some of these offers may seem like a good deal, they often lead to poor work or contractors disappearing altogether. Let's take a closer look. Here's how this scam typically works. A contractor shows up at your door claiming they have leftover materials from a nearby project, or that they've noticed damage to your roof. They offer to repair it at a reduced price, often pressuring you into agreeing quickly. Once you pay, they either do shoddy work, or worse, disappear without finishing the job. A real-life case involved homeowners who were approached by contractors after a major storm. They were promised a roof repair for half the usual price because the contractors said they had leftover shingles from another project. After paying up front, the contractors did part of the job, then vanished, leaving the roof unfinished and the homeowners with extra costs to hire a real professional. To protect yourself, always be cautious of anyone offering unsolicited services. Get multiple quotes from licensed contractors, and never pay the full amount up front. Always check reviews or ask for references, and make sure you have a written contract outlining the work to be done. Thanks for watching Aqua Platicodon. Stay tuned for more videos in this series, where we'll continue exposing door-to-door sales scams, including misleading energy audits and pest control scams. Stay informed and stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.